of all, I would like to thank Department of Agriculture. Sobrang laki po talaga ng naitulong ng Young Farmers Challenge na program po sa aming mga kabataang nag-uumpisang magnegosyo sa agrikultura. Kasi nga po nakapagpatayo kami ng another greenhouse, nakabili kami ng equipment for processing, nakapagbigay kami ng trabaho. Laki ng tulong, hindi lang sa amin, pati na rin po sa community.
We Filipinos have a lot to offer talaga when it comes to different flavors that we have here with us. So talagang masasabi natin, if there is support coming from the different agencies, from different government institutions, I can say na we could really showcase our very own at ready na po tayo.
Filipino cuisine, ready na pong makipag-compete anywhere in the world, anywhere in the places, even in international, ready na po tayo. Ako po nagsasabi, mas marami pong magagaling na chef all over the Philippines, all over the world. Yun lang po ang masasabi ko. And the Filipino food will start to invade dito po sa ating kapuluan, sa ating pong ibang bansa, kasama po dyan yung ating mga kapitbahay sa Asia.
It's very important to help the economy kasi alam naman natin yung food industry is such a big industry in the Philippines and MAFBEX really helps us professionalize it.
Talagang elevated na yung Filipino cuisine. It's all a matter of sharing it to the rest of the world, and with the advent of social media, saka syempre yung mga social media food content creators, unti-unti na nalalaman ang sarap saka ang ganda ng Filipino cuisine. MAFBEX talagang it doesn't disappoint. Kung foodie ka, kung nasa food business ka, this really is the place to be.
Most of our flavors are very competitive na sa international market. So, Filipino cuisine is actually can compete na sa mga other cuisines. Kung passion nyo talaga ang cooking, then go for it. Kasi yun yung magpo-force nyo na gumising araw-araw and do the same thing over and over again.
Granted naman po yung 14-week culinary course po, i-grab ko po talaga yon kasi actually matagal ko na siyang plan, bata pa lang po. Then na-inspire talaga ako sa mga contestant ng MasterChef, kaya gusto ko rin maging kagaya nila. Thank you MAFBEX po and see you po sa 2024.